Hey, Hot Online Buys here with a video today on a mistake that I made in trying to post a YouTube video. By the way, this is my website, hotonlinebuys.com. Let's go there and we're going to give you blogs on different things that we find interesting and things that hopefully you find interesting. Anyway, so let's go to the video that I'm having the problem with and background on the problem. I built the video, produced the video, and I posted the video. But one little thing that I missed, that I left out, was this very simple thing. Watch this. I'm going to play the video, and before you make your videos or you try to do a video on them, make sure you mute. If you're showing another video from somewhere else, make sure you mute it so you don't have that volume under your volume. There's no value in that because I can't hear what you're saying. All right. So here's where the problem is at. If you go to show more on this video, it'll be fixed by the time you watch this video. But I'm in the wrong category. See, people and blogs. You got to be better, do better with stuff like that. You just got to get it right the first time. You got to get things done. All right, so the way we're going to fix is we're going to go to my channel, okay? And then you're going to go over to your Creator Studio. And then once your videos show up here, you're just going to go down here. These 12 views are my 12 views and trying to fix this and trying to produce a halfway decent video for you. But you're just going to edit the video and simply go down to here, over to advanced settings, and just change the category. That's simple. But stuff like this, in the beginning when you start and you miss stuff like this, and you might post your video in a month from now and say, how come I'm not getting anything from it? It could be this little tiny thing right here, this PETA right here, that causes you that aggravation. So just save the changes and give it a couple days and see if that fixes the problem. And if you're not ranking, we all know that you go back and you start changing your keywords. Anyway, like, subscribe, and comment, and good luck.